Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, it's that time of year where you get tons of bugs and insects. Now, I like to shop from a brand called UCatch because they have tons of different products, whether it's flying insects, whether it's roaches, or whether it's the one that just really creeps me out, which is going to be the bed bugs. Now, I used to work actually as an exterminator, and I will tell you, when you get bed bugs in your house, it is miserable. They are very difficult to get rid of. They're a very resistant insect. Now, just to give you a couple of quick little facts, some of the places where they get carried the most are airlines. You're sitting in an airline seat and you end up with them on your clothes. So all you have to do is bring home one in a bag from a hotel room anywhere, and you are going to be infected or infested, I should say. Another place that people pick up a lot of them that they don't think about is at the movie theaters. It's dark. You have, seats. A lot of people bring in little blankets and things to cover themselves up, and they're spreading bed bugs everywhere. Never pick up a used piece of fabric furniture and bring it into your house. Big mistake, because all you've got to do is get one and they'll spread. That's why I like the UCatch Bed Bug Monitor Trap System. It's going to help control some of the bed bugs, but the big thing it's going to do is it's going to let you know you got them, because bed bugs have a certain little path they like to travel. They like to go down the bed, down the legs, and move around the house and find the next host. These, when you open them up, they're going to have a little protector so that you don't put your fingers in them, but they have the spot where you will put the feet of your bed on this, and it has a little reservoir of glue all the way around it. And what that's going to do is if a bed bug goes down and goes across, it's going to get caught, and you're going to know that you are fully infested and have a problem. Now, a lot of times people don't realize they get all these bites on them. They don't know where they're coming from because they don't see them, because they hide during the day. Also, just another quick tip: check your mattress down around the ends, pull up the little seams. Any place there's a seam is where they like to hide. Look for blood marks because they leave a lot of blood and spatter everywhere. That's how you know that bed bugs are in your bed. And then you need to get it treated. But these are great monitor systems to help, keep that thing, keep that situation under control and keep those things out of your house. So, as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we will see you on the next review.